Hoover T-Series Windtunnel Pet Rewind Bagless Upright Vaccum, UH70210. The Windtunnel Pet Rewind Bagless Upright helps you manage unruly pet hair and features an easy cord rewind, a folding handle for storage, 5-position carpet height adjustment, and the easy-to-clean air-powered pet hand tool. The features of Hoover T-Series Windtunnel Pet Rewind Bagless Upright Vaccum, UH70210. Fold-down handle makes storage a snap and ideal for small storage spaces. Automatic rewind cord neatly winds the 27-feet cord back inside the unit for easy storage. Brush roll shut-off pedal makes it easy to go from carpet to hard floors. System check indicator alerts the user when the rinsable filter, HEPA and Carbon filters need to be cleaned or checked. Onboard tools include pet hair turbo brush 12-inch extension wand, crevice tool and easy-to-clean pet furniture nozzle with rubber blades.